guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be showing you the beautiful Canada, and as you can see in front of me right now there's a tunnel, and this tunnel is made because of animals. Animals can easily cross the road. Guys, as you can see that right now we are in this side of a boat, and this place is Lake Louise, and it's very beautiful. As you can see, this guy is paddling in the boat. I'm enjoying it. And guys, as you can see that right now we are in on the national highway, guys, and keep watching. I will show you more beautiful things. As you can see, guys, that it's heavy raining right now. The weather is cold, and guys, do not forget to subscribe, and peace out, guys. Bye bye, see you later with something new.